Yep.
Yeah.
He's telling us he's not a happy camper.
Daddy, I can't see anywhere.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Can you see him now?
Another guy came up and kind of startled him, so he puts his show on. They'll chase you, peck at you.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Wow, they're beautiful.
Yeah, but that's a defense thing. That's
Yeah.
It's a defense mechanism.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Flip and stick. Cheese.